The very first thing that can make any woman to always want to go down with you is if you are emotionally supportive. The truth here is women are emotional beings. So if you are showing support emotionally to any woman, she will always want to go down with you. And another truth here is women, when they are going through stress, maybe stress from work, they tend to not be interested in the bedroom. They tend to avoid intimacy. They tend to hate intimacy at that point. Unlike the men that see intimacy as a way of relieving stress. At that point, you see a woman as a remedy for your stress. Unlike the women that, when they're stressed out, when they are worried, when something things are not going on well, maybe stress from work, some difficult things to do and all of that, women tend to just want to be alone at that point. So if you're a man and you understand your woman at that point and try to relate and understand and even help her at that point, trust me, that woman will see you as, she will always want to go down with you. She will not like she always wants to go down with you. So whenever you notice that your woman is down, pay attention. Try to understand, try to find out, try to get to know what she is going through. Try to, see if you can. Of course you can help. Anyhow, you can just help. So whenever you see her that way, try to, be available for her at that point. Okay? Be available. Don't complain that she's doing this or that, she's not responding to your touch or your whatever you are doing at that moment. Just try to understand her, and then trust me, that woman will never hesitate. She will never deny anything from you in the bedroom. So the next thing that can make any woman to always want to get down with you is your ability to make her feel desired. The truth here is intimacy to women is more mental than physical. So once you make a woman to understand that you desire her, once you make her to understand that you love her, once you make her to understand that you value her, you desire her body, okay, you love her, you love the way she is, okay, trust me, that woman will always want to go down with you, because like I said, it is more mental than physical. A woman needs to believe that you love her. A woman needs to believe that, okay, you desire her, you love what you see, you love the way her body is, you love her shape, you love everything you see. Okay, once she knows that you desire everything about her, her body, her everything, trust me, that woman will always want to go down with you. Okay, she will not withhold anything from you. But on the other hand, if you make her feel that, oh, you are just, you don't like her, you make her feel that you don't desire her body, trust me, that woman will never want to get down with you. That woman will never want to release her body to you. So all you have to do is to make her feel desire, and that is just it. So the next one here is make her feel loved. One of the easiest way you can easiest thing you can do to make any woman to always want to go down with you is by making her feel loved. Women love it when they know that you love them. They love it when you show that you love them. They love it when you make them see that you love them. So your ability to make her feel loved, take care of her, pamper her, you just express, show that you love her. There are a lot of ways you can prove to a woman that you love her, and if you are able to do all of these things to prove to her that you love her, trust me, that woman will never want to withhold anything from you during intimacy. So all you have to do is to make her feel loved, and trust me, she will always want to go down with you. The next one here is make her feel safe. Your ability to make a woman feel safe is one of the things that will make her to always want to get down with you. Okay, because women consider safety. Okay, no woman will want to be with you knowing that she's not safe, knowing that you cannot protect her, knowing that you cannot defend her. So once you are able to prove to a woman that she is safe around you, that she can be herself around you, nothing can hurt her whenever she's around you, trust me, that woman will always want to get down with you. It turns her on to know that, oh, when I'm around my man, nothing can hurt me, nothing can make me feel all of that. So all you have to do is to make sure that she is safe around you. make her safe around you, and once she's safe around you, trust me, she will never withhold anything from you. Okay,